Hey, today with Expornet.com, came to Aquatica to show you an update so I can work off some of the farmer's stand that I earned after a long day at the Flower and Garden Festival grand opening. I had to come work off this farmer's stand. This wicked farmer's stand. One kid's Chris, he told me that I was starting to get. So this video is going to be a quick update about the status of the park, the construction projects that are going on. Might ride a couple rides. I did go on the Tomato Racer real quick. I had to. It's one of my favorite rides in all the park, aside from the Dolphin Plunge, which I found out will be open soon. So I got an email this morning that says this is supposed to open in about 10 days. A couple of the changes that they made was they updated the slides and the splash pool turned into individual lanes. So when you end, you don't go into a big pool, you go into your own individual lane to get out. But other than that, the ride should be still just as much fun as it was before. I mean, how cool is it? You get to go through a slide where a bunch of dolphins are swimming around you. Like one of my favorite rides at Aquatica. Opens March 14th, I believe, somewhere around there. If you're a pass holder, check your emails and make sure you're not blocking them or destroying those emails before you get a chance to read them, because a lot of times they'll send you some cool free stuff. A few weeks ago, when everything was a little bit slower, Aquatica sent me like a free beer. They're like, hey man, come hang out and grab a free beer. So that's one of the reasons why I love Sea World, and that's one of the reasons why I love coming out here. I've never used this kiosk before, and I saw it the other day. If you have an annual pass and you get an email saying there's something along the lines of a free drink or a special reward that Sea World will send to you all the time, you come over to this, scan your pass, and it'll show you the rewards. I'm not gonna use any of them right now, but like right now I got a free guest ticket, or I got one free reserved parade viewing. Sounds pretty cool to me. And that kiosk is located, so here's the entrance. You come in, go around the Reef Plunge that's under construction. This is Loggerhead Lane, that's also under construction. You go down those stairs, go around Kiwi Traders, and here is the information and reservation counter. The information kiosks were right over here. Now the park is starting to show its age just a little bit, so you're gonna see some construction walls like this for refurbishment on a few things. From what I've found out, the construction on a lot of these projects is pretty near complete, and by maybe late spring break and into the summer, most of this stuff should be done. So there's really no reason not to come because of the construction. But as far as rides go, Reef Plunge and Loggerhead Lane are really the only two that I see that are closed right now. Pretty much everything else is open and ready to go. Well, I was here with Little Guy a few days ago. I need to edit that video as well and get that up for you guys so you can see the adventure that we got to explore, and you can see what there is to do here at Aquatica with a 2 to 3 year old. So I got my ride on Tomato Racer. I got a little bit of the suntan, working for the farmer's stand. Thanks again, Chrissy. Let's go ride Roa's Rapids real quick. I'll give you a full view of this one. You can see what this one's like. This is not an inner tube relaxing lazy river. This is like a more fun, let's go swimming lazy river. Let's go check it out. Your instructions for the ride. One of these things that I've noticed is you can see it right there, the sensor guides. I'm seeing them more and more on the new signs that are coming out for all the different theme parks like Peppa Pig Land and Sea World. This one is definitely a swimming ride, so if you're not a strong swimmer, don't go on this one yet. Learn how to swim first, or grab a life jacket. Let's check it out. It's not too bad. That's 3 feet. Stand up. This is me standing. I'm a 6 foot tall guy. It's pretty fast though. Let's get through this one. What's the point of having the action camera, the underwater action camera, if you don't go underwater with it? Nice peaceful stroll through the rapids. This one's a little more fast paced. If you were trying to get a workout on vacation, oh, that's a nice little rock waterfall there. If you were trying to get a workout while you're on vacation, this would be a good one to come to and just kind of like swim. So I'm a little out of breath just walking through it. Not bad. Pretty cool little splash area right here. Let's go through one of the splashes more. Woo! I said run through that one pretty fast. Hold on. Run through that one pretty fast. I'm gonna slow down for a second. Whew. That's my breath. Like I was saying though, if you are into fitness and health and you want to come out and get some exercise, it's gonna be a cool place to come out here and do a little swim. A few laps on this thing. I wonder how many calories I'll burn. Maybe that should be another video. Here's one of the first exits that you'll see. It's pretty cool. Another cool rock formation. We're gonna go over to the cool. I need another name of these places. If you want to go over to the awesome island over there, where the water jumps all over your head and little kids squirt you in the face with water guns when you're trying to walk up with your kid, that's the exit that you would take. Going through this one too. A nice mix of relaxing and peaceful and then like intense. I like it. I'm digging it so far. Almost through our first lap. This is cool. The sun right here. This is a nice shot, I think. Woo. Let's go this way. What's the point of going on the ride if you don't go through all the puddles and the splashes? That's awesome. We're almost through. I think we have like, we're 3/4 of the way through. We think we have like 1/4 of the way left. So far, so good. I'm having fun on this one. I can do a few laps on here. We'll only do one for the show today, but there's that construction wall I mentioned earlier. All this stuff should be open pretty soon. So yeah, I mean the current's pretty strong on this one. I'm just kind of walking right now and going back and forth between walking and swimming and going underwater. I'm a little out of breath. I mean, I'd say I'm in pretty decent shape. So I'm gonna do one more lap. I'm gonna see how many calories I burn. I'm gonna let you guys know. Another rock waterfall, probably the final one on our trip for the day. And we are gonna get off on the blue entrance, which as you can see by this sign right here, is fast approaching. So that's it. Camera might have a leak in it. We might have to redo this one. I'm gonna post it anyways, just so everybody can see it. So that's one lap around the Roas Rapids, Lazy River, not so lazy river here at Aquatica in Orlando. I'm gonna see how many calories we'll burn on this next trip. I'll post that on another video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I can't wait to go on another adventure with you.